Let me take you guys back to a night in my early 2023. A night I will never forget in my life. Guys, I was sitting on my bed scrolling through my bank app for the 10th time that particular day, hoping and praying and also wishing that somehow the numbers would magically increase. But truth of the matter is, opposite happened. A notification that popped up that says your balance is below minimum requirement. I stared at my phone. Then I laughed that painful laugh that comes from frustration, from embarrassment and exhaustion at once. You understand? So that particular night, I made a decision that changed my life. That decision is, I said to myself, I'm done relying only on one source of income. That is disastrous, man. And I promised myself that by the time the future arrives, that is to say 2024, 2025, and definitely 2026, I would have an income stream that pay me even when I am offline. So fast forward to today, guys, guess what? I kept to that promise. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 passive income streams that actually work in 2026. This is not hype. I'm not hyping. This is no fantasy. This is not scam. Just real practical income stream that you can actually start no matter where you are. You understand? No matter where you are beginning from. You understand? So let us dive in straight. Now, what is passive income really means? Before we talk about streams, let us fix one big misunderstanding. Do you understand? Passive income does not mean maybe not doing like do nothing and get rich. Money magically falls from the sky, zero work forever. No. Real passive income simply means work you do once that keeps you paying over time. It might require you to set up, to learn the system, consistency. But once you build this, it pays you month after month after month, even while you sleep. So the income stream I'm about to show you guys, what I have really tried some of them. Do you understand? So one of the passive income stream you need to understand is your digital product. You understand? This is a beginner-friendly income of 2026. Now, digital income products are printable, ebooks, planners, templates, Notion dashboard, online course, guide, graphics, and swipe files. Now, you can actually promote these on platforms like ST, Gumroad, Payhip, Notion Market, and also your own website. Don't forget that. Now, why does digital product work in the year 2026? It worked because you need zero shipping, you need zero inventory, you need unlimited sales, you don't need a passive download, you don't need customer service after setup or instant delivery. No. Do you understand? So the first digital product I ever sold brought me $50. Yes, you understand? And the next month it earned me money while I was traveling and all of that. So once you create one product that solves a real problem, it becomes a lifetime ATM that you will never forget. So these are some of other passive income that you actually need. You need maybe you can go into YouTube cash flow. Now the platform that pays, this is a platform that pays you even when you are on your worst day. YouTube is the ultimate passive income machine because your videos last forever. You earn from old upload, recommended traffic compound. You even get paid from multiple streams. Now YouTube pays you through your AdSense, through your affiliate links, through digital sales, through sponsorship, channel membership, YouTube short bonus funds, and also your super thanks and super chats. Yes, you don't need millions of views. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to be perfect. Just in case you're waiting for, I'm not yet perfect on this. No, you don't. All you need is a topic people are searching for. You need a simple thumbnails. You need a helpful content and also your consistent upload. Now, I have videos that I uploaded some months ago that still generate me some views even up to today. You understand? And to some people, that is leverage. That is passive income for them. Do you understand? Then another passive income you need is your affiliate marketing. You understand? In affiliate marketing, you earn commission from products you don't owe. Do you understand? And affiliate marketing is also recommended, like you recommending a product and someone buys from it, then you also get paid. Now you need platforms like your Amazon, your Fiverr, your Canva, your Skillshare, Carousel, your Impact, and your ClickBank in order for you to be able to promote some of these side hustles. You understand? Now people buy online more than ever. You understand? You need this because it works in 2026. Now, mind you that AI has made content creation very, very easy. And also your affiliate dashboard are smarter. You understand? So payout has also increased for quality videos. So that is just it. You can begin by earning commission while you are sleeping, while you are working your normal 9-to-5 job, while you are cooking, even while you are in the church or on vacation. Do you understand? That is just it. Sometimes you work once and also get paid forever on this side income. Then another passive income stream that you can actually venture into is your smudge art. That is your automated print sales. Do you understand? Now this is perfect for African-based creators, but also it works globally. So if you can create a digital art, smudge painting, portrait, or photo enhancement, you can actually package them into a printable digital posters, framework art, wall deco, birthday illustration, then your couple portrait, and also kids storybook cartoons. These are the things you can actually make out of smudge painting. Then you can automate everything using your ST, your Printify, your Printful, and also your Gelato. Do you understand? Now these are the platforms that you can actually print it. You can actually print it for yourself. You can package it for yourself, and you can ship it for you and also deliver it for you. Do you understand? That is the work of these whole platforms. Now what about your job? You can be asking yourself, you understand? So you need to create the ones and upload and get paid every time someone buys this. So number 6 passive income stream that you can actually venture into is your AI automated assets. Now the future of income in 2026 and beyond. Now with AI tools like your ChatGPT, your Cloud, your Midjourney, your Leonardo AI, your Notion AI, Runway ML, you can actually create prompt packs, your AI generated templates, and also your digital business kits. You can also generate ebooks, outline, video scripts, Canva templates, your caption packs, and automation system. Then you can also sell it on Gumroad, ST, Payhip, and also your website. Now mind you that people are paying for anything that saves them time. And in 2026, the biggest currency is not money. No, remove that from your mind. The biggest currency is actually the speed. So if your product saves someone's days of work, they will pay you happily. So you need to listen very careful. You don't need to get passive income by wishing for it. No, you get it by building something one time that the world needs all the time. Not everyone will believe in your dreams, yes, but the crazy thing is passive income doesn't need a crowd. It only needs you. So if you want your 2026 to be the year you finally break free financially, you need to start building one of these income streams today. Your future self will be proud of you at the end. So if this is your first time of coming across this video, please don't fail to like this video. Go to the comment section and comment, I am building passive income in 2026. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly side hustle strategies. Then also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my content. You can visit my other videos and see videos that can help you when it comes to online earning and everything that has to do with money. Thank you guys for coming around, and see you guys in my next video.